Kudos to you. Understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another engaging session of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're diving into the phrase, kudos to you. It's a term you might have heard in movies, podcasts, or even in everyday conversation. Let's uncover what it means and how you can use it to sound like a native English speaker. Kudos to you is an expression of praise or congratulations. It is often used when someone has done something praiseworthy or impressive. Kudos is actually a Greek word that means glory or fame, and in English, it is used to commend someone for their achievements. While kudos may sound modern, it has ancient roots. This section will explore the Greek origin of the word and how it made its way into the English language. Understanding the history can add depth to your knowledge and appreciation of the term. Here, we will present various scenarios where you can use the phrase, kudos to you. We'll provide examples in dialogues and real-life situations to help you get a sense of its application in everyday English. Sometimes, kudos and congratulations are used interchangeably, but are they really the same? This section will highlight the subtle nuances between the two and when it's more appropriate to use one over the other. We hope this video sheds light on the uplifting phrase, kudos to you, and that you feel confident using it in your next English conversation. Until our next video, keep practicing, and kudos to you for working on your English skills.